So, what is reinforcement learning? So, reinforcement learning is all about mapping the situation, also called as the states, to bunch of the action that maximizes a numerical reward signal. So the way reinforcement learning differs from other is that we don't tell the learner which action it must take to achieve that maximum reward. However, it must discover on its own which action will lead to the highest reward by trying on its own the different actions. For example, if we try to map the driving as an application of an RL or to a RL problem, so we start from a driver does not know anything about the driving, and the driver must explicitly find which actions will lead to the safe driving experience. So in some cases, the effect may not be immediate. For example, when we are investing some X amount of money for X amount of period, then for that X amount during which we are investing, we will be getting our salaries maybe lesser than what we are earning, right? So it looks like that in immediate sense, it is not really a good option. However, in long term, once your investment period is over, you will get a much larger reward or much larger amount at the end. So the RL worries about those kind of situation as well, and long-term likelihood of a particular situation. So the RL is all about trial and error. We try something and we learn from those experience. We try to evaluate those experience by looking at their reward, long-term reward. These are the two important characteristics of the reinforcement learning. So in a nutshell, if we try to summarize what an RL is all about solving a problem in which a learning agent interacts with its environment to collect the experiences over time in order to achieve a particular goal. The thing with a reinforcement learning is that the learner should be able to sense its neighboring surroundings and can perform some action to influence the state or the situation of it.